All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. For those of you watching this video or bumping into my channel for the first time, this is Samir Umer from BMW Toronto. What I'm going to do today is actually an unboxing video of my new wheels that just came in for my newly acquired, new to me, F10 BMW 5 Series here on the left. And that's my Toyota Sienna van, hashtag VanKulture. If you want to know more about modifications of that car, you can watch some of my other videos on my channel. It's a little cold morning in Toronto here and just started raining, so drizzling a bit, so I'm gonna make this really quick. This is completely stock right now, my F10 on the stock wheels, 19-inch, has the M Sport packet. It's a carbon black metallic paint, 19-inch wheels, and for winter I did get some other really nice wheels that we'll see in a minute, and those will go on winter tires. So for this one right here, right now is running on stock 18-inch limited wheels where the winter tire is on. So let's go ahead to the unboxing. So right now, before I start modding this car, just to show you guys that this is how it looks stock from factory. This is how it came, and a lot of modifications coming for this car. So let's pop the trunk and do a little unboxing. So guys, I did cheat a little bit because it's going to be a difficult one to cut up the tape on the box. So I did cut the tape already, so I can use my one hand to unbox. Brand new Rotiform wheels for the F10 5 Series. All right, so like I said, I did unbox one. I'm gonna see them for the first time with you guys, but I did cut up the tape. This is my first unboxing video, guys. All right, that's how it comes in the box. Let's remove that cover, push it aside. Oh, nicely wrapped up. All right, nice protective rim around here, and a nice dust bag. Ooh, there we go. Look at that, huh? Yep, these are the Rotiform, the brand new Rotiform BUC-M wheels in matte black with the lip slightly in a gloss finish. I think they're gonna look pretty sweet on the F10. Yeah, I think so. Alright, so just a bit later on today, I'm gonna go and get these on the car. So before I put them on, I just wanted to show you guys here. Rotiform Motorsport on both sides, engraved in. A nice lip, slightly concave. I think they're gonna look pretty sweet. Hey guys, so if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate you guys doing so. Please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Click on the bell icon for more informative content like this. And do comment below of what you liked about this video, what else you would like to see, and obviously to follow through on the mods coming up on the F10. Do let me know. Thank you for tuning in, and see you guys on the next one.